Hey Tabafethu, this video is brought to you by EasyBets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign-up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango.
Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the Petrol Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 0, Captain City 0. I'm joined by Upramcho no Frank.
Sho Thibo.
Sure.
Lento lena si ayine madoda singaloko siyalena le.
Kunmiva.
Chief Aviro is not a quality.
Sure.
Finish and done. Lo muntu lana uyasibulalisa. That's all. Ngitshona. So it is in my phela umfethu abamba ibhanti lento azengayo aphume ngayo.
Once.
Yebo. Bona singakhohle ukuthi madoda si number 8.
Yeah.
Sifuna Sundowns.
Sure.
Number 2.
Yeah.
Sasiqualifyile lapha ku CAF.
Sure.
CAF Champions League siyodlala yona manje njengoba siku semi-final ye-Nedbank.
Sure.
Orukanjani Pakani?
Hawu Chief uvari singamabhakani siyamthanda thina. Hayi, thina siyamthanda thina. Yeah. Mamela ke Khosi silungisela. Hayi ku CAF Champions League. Ku CAF Confederation. Yeah, aba asilungise nje lapha. Le yabo ayina star.
Sure.
Ngizwa kahle. Yengane nje.
Sure.
We understand. Yeah, kuse-Afrika khona. No, bafowethu Makhosi ehlisa umoya. Nithele umuntu nimlandela ukupheka ngithi unabi. Miyekena pheka umjidi. Yeah, sizofika isikhathi sokuthi aphaka ekudlini. Yeah, bekezeleleni umjidi abafowethu.
Ngithe wena khohlwa ngeligi.
Ungena kanjani lapho wena?
Ngithe khohlwa ngeligi. Khohlwa ngeligi inkukhu ayakadamisela amaqanda.
Wena ke khohlwa ngokungena ku top 8.
Awunamali nama-games in hand.
Number 13 is loading baba.
Mina ngu-number 8.
Mina ngu-number 2.
Akunankinga mara khohlwa ngeligi.
Ngine-cup already wacela nithatha i-cup.
Sawuphumile litigi.
Wena ukuphi?
Mina ngiku-number 8 uzophela ku-number 5.
Number 13 la uyakhona.
Uyadlala
Ku number 13.
Iya number 13 baba.
ngeke iye ku-number 13.
Never.
Ilephi lo ngakhona ku number 13. Yezwa. Namanje manje sikhuluma ba number 8.
Yeah.
Uyangiunderstand? Babanga umsindo babangela amabhakani ya number 2.
Yeah.
Makhosi amabhakani sisonke bafowethu siyabonga.
Uturanga yini?
Uranga Shivavaro is not a quality player. He must leave Kaizer Chiefs.
Sure.
That's all.
Yes,
Thank you.